Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. It is the mid-range tablet guys, and the current price is 34,800 rupees, and in dollars it is like 480 US dollars guys. So this is half of the price if we compare it with the Samsung Tab S6, that's the previous version, and this is half the price. So it says it has the S Pen. So we will open the box and we will see if the S Pen is inside, and it is 64 GB. This one is 64 GB with 4 GB RAM guys. So guys, let's open. So here we go. So this is typical Samsung written over here, Samsung, and then that's the cover, and then we will open the cover from here and we will see. Oh, amazing guys. So guys, this one has a 10.4 inch screen, and let me do the start. So okay, it has a metallic back with the space gray color, the typical tablet colors, space gray guys, and it has a back camera which is 8 megapixel, and the front camera is 5 megapixel guys. And because this is 4G, so it has antenna over the top, you can see here. So antenna over the top, and there is also antenna at the bottom guys, you can see here, because this is 4G version. Okay guys, so this is how it looks, and I already turned it on. So if we see what's other things in the box, so it has USB Type C cable. So USB Type C, you can see here, and then it has the normal charger, and it is a 5-watt charger. So this is 5-watt charger, and you can see here. And then we have amazing thing which I want to show you is S Pen guys. So let's open the S Pen. Okay guys, one of the most important thing that I want to mention here is if you buy the iPad, you have to buy the S Pen separately, and it costs you like 10,000 rupees or $99. But Samsung give the S Pen with the Tab S6 Lite, which is free guys. So this is really amazing and a cool feature that Samsung gave us. Okay guys, so the charger, as I already told you, and is a 5-watt. So let's see what we have more with the tablet guys. So it has still have 3.5 mm jack, and it has noise cancelling earphone, and you can also put a memory card, and so you can increase the memory by putting 128 GB or 256 GB memory card guys. And the back side, as you know, as you aware, it's a Samsung branding, and it has multi microphone arrays. Okay guys, you can see one is here and the other one is here guys. Okay guys, and the battery is 7040 milliampere battery, and the Android, it has Android 10, and you can put Nano-SIM in here, and Samsung says it gives you 13 hours of battery time guys. So let's turn on it. So guys, I already done with the setup. Now it's ready to use. It has typical Samsung layout guys, you can see here everything is same that like a normal. So first of all, what we will see, we will see how much storage it gives you finally after installing the app. So what we will do, we will go here from the settings, okay guys, and then we will go to the device care option guys. So this is the device care option, and then we will see how much storage it is giving you. So storage, okay guys, after installing all the apps, it gives you finally 49 GB of the storage guys, which is really amazing. The next cool thing that I want to show you is the S Pen feature. So we will go into the Samsung Notes. So Samsung Notes, we go from here, and then we will use this S Pen guys. So guys, let me tell you about this S Pen. It does not have a battery inside, so no need to charge it or nothing. It comes without battery and it works perfectly fine. Okay guys, it comes with a button. I will tell you the function of button. This button is here. So I will tell you the function of this button. So first of all, let's write something and check the functionality of this S Pen, guys. So guys, this is S Pen, guys, really amazing. You can see here S Pen, amazing, guys. So when I'm writing, it's writing perfectly, guys. And the other feature that this S Pen has, it can stick to it easily, guys. You can see here it stick to the tab easily, guys, because there is no space to put this S Pen, so you can stick it like that, guys. Okay, so this S Pen and this tablet is very useful for students, for teachers that are doing their different work, guys. So it's really amazing, guys. You can save it, you can manipulate it, and it's ideal for, as I already mentioned, for teacher and student. And the other thing is the Google apps already installed in it, and it also has a Netflix over here, and most of the Samsung apps already installed in it. You can see here the Samsung's app already installed. So really amazing and really cool tablet, guys. So I recommend you guys, if you are going for a mid-range tablet, this is an amazing tablet, guys. And with the S Pen, which is a cool feature, it comes free. And guys, please tell me if you like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you very much, guys.